Hi children, have a great day. Welcome to grade 5 science. Today we are going to discussing about the chapter 5, that is plant life. Right. So till now what we had seen in this chapter, we had seen about the reproduction systems in plant and how the seeds get dispersed. Right. So the reproduction may takes part in two methods. One is reproduction from seeds and another one is reproduction through vegetative parts. So first we discussed about reproduction through seed. The seed has seed coat, embryo and cotyledons. With the help of these, the seed will germinate into new plant by the process of germination, right? By the presence of leaves present in the plant, we can determine whether it is a monocotyledon or dicotyledon, right? The baby plant will present inside the embryo, from which the shoot will come out, right? So it requires water, warmth and air to grow into a healthy plant or tree. So through this way, the seed can be germinated into a plant. So this is reproduction by seeds, right? Then reproduction by vegetative parts. That means reproduction with the help of stem, roots, leaves, flower, etc. Right. So vegetative propagation by roots. The root of a plant may be helpful in producing the new plant, right? In such a way as in propagation in sweet potato. Similarly, vegetative propagation by stem, as we see in potato. It has eyes. When we cut that potato into small pieces and keep that in the soil, it starts to grow as a new plant. Okay, so this is the example for vegetative propagation by stem. Then vegetative propagation by leaves. The leaves of a bryophyllum had a tiny roots outside as an outside layer, and from this it will start to produce a new plant. So this is vegetative propagation by leaves. Right? So what are the advantages of vegetative propagation? Exact copies of parents with desirable characteristics can be produced. The baby plant will be same as the characteristics of the parent plant. Right? Plants produced by vegetative propagation grow faster as compared to the plant grow from seeds. Right? So plants produced by vegetative propagation will grow faster than the plants reproduced by seeds. So these are the advantages of vegetative propagation. Then dispersal of seeds. Dispersal in sense throwing of seeds. The seeds of a fruit may disperse to various places by which a new plant can be produced. Okay, this is called dispersal. So what is the importance of dispersal of seeds? It helps in better survival of plants. If all the seeds from a plant fell at the same place, there will be too many plants struggling to survive and use same resources. Right? It helps to provide uniform air, water and other resources. Dispersal of seeds helps in bringing the variety of plants growing in different places. So these are the importance of dispersal of seeds. So how the dispersal takes place? Dispersal may takes place by wind, water, animals, birds, etc. Right? So with the help of wind and sense, the seeds may fly in the wind and moves from one place to another place. Water and sense, it may float in the water from one place to another place, as in case of lotus and coconut. Right? So dispersal by animals. The seed may stuck into the animal skin. So as and when the animals move from one place to another place, it may fall down at various places. In this way, the seeds dispersal by animals will took place, and also dispersal by explosion, that is self explosion. Plants such as peas start to explode itself after attaining sometimes. While exploding, the seed inside that plant, that is seed inside that peas, will get dispersed over various area. So in this way, the seed will dispersed by explosion, right? So what are the various plants from various different countries that have brought to India incense? From Asia, fava beans and onions. From South America, tomato, potato, maize, sweet potato and green chili. From Europe, cabbage, peas and gooseberry. From Africa, coffee bean, cowpea, lady's finger and watermelon. So these are the various plants that have been brought to India from different places, right? And your today's homework is write down the following keywords and the questions in your classwork note, right? The keywords are, take your classwork note, fresh page, chapter 5, plant life and first Roman, keywords. These are the keywords: reproduction, propagation, dispersal, embryo, scatter, species, cotyledons, vegetative part, rhizome and bryophyllum. Right? These are the keywords that have to be noted down in your classwork note, and also the following questions, right? I have posted these keywords and the questions in the classwork Google Classroom. Just go through that and note it down in your classwork note. This is your homework today, right? So we can see with still more interesting topics in the next session. So before completing this, just be prepared for your assessment for the next class, right? Very good. Thank you.